Good morning everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm bringing you guys along with me for a day in my life vlog. It is Vlogmas. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. I am on my way to do a photo shoot. I have one of my ugly Christmas sweaters on. I'm super excited because it's gonna be a fun Christmas lookbook that I'm filming and I just can't wait for you guys to see it, but this vlog's gonna go up beforehand. But I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me throughout the day, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. It is so cold outside. I'm even all bundled up in all my layers and it's freezing. I'm gonna go get my second outfit on. We got a few outfits to shoot for this lookbook. I'm super excited and it's just so cold. We are in the last sweater and this one is so warm. It's so colorful and so cute, but we are gonna head home now. We are gonna pick up some pizza for my family because it is Sunday football pizza kind of day, just a chill weekend, and we're gonna pick that up. And then I think I'm gonna make a gingerbread house later today. I feel like that would be a lot of fun, but that is just a little update. It is so cold out. I don't have a winter coat on, but the sweater is just so cute and I'm so excited for you guys to see the lookbook, so be sure to subscribe so you can get notified. But that is just a little update. Hey guys, I am back from the photo shoot. I just cleaned up my room. It was a hot mess because when I came back I just dumped all of my clothes onto the floor. You guys, if you've been following me for a while, know I do this every single time. It took a solid like 30 minutes to clean up, but I want to show you guys my outfit real quick. I mean, you're going to see it in a future video, but it's just so cute, and I got these boots and I'm completely obsessed with them and I have to share them with you guys, and we're going to see it in the big OOTD mirror. Please ignore how messy my room is. I'm like low-key kind of embarrassed by it, but I just have on my red holiday sweater since I'm doing a sweater lookbook, and then I just threw on this cute little black skirt from J. Crew. I just love the look of this, but look how cute these boots are. I'm obsessed. They're little heels. Oh my goodness, I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like a girl out of Gossip Girl wearing them. I don't know, they're just so cute, and I don't have a pair of black boots like this, and the heel is just so stinking cute. I just posted the Snapchat, so sorry about that, but oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I got them at Nordstrom. If you guys are wondering, I'll try to find a similar pair for you guys. So now that my room's all cleaned up, I'm going to film the intro to my holiday lookbook. I'm super excited about it. I have to film a few other videos as well, just so I have those ready for Vlogmas and everything, but I think that is currently the game plan. I'm not really doing much today, but I just have like a lot of filming, editing, like vlog work to do, so I'm going to do that. I am definitely going to be building my gingerbread house. I really want to because I have the kit and I'm just like want to make it so bad because I make one every single year. So I think I'm going to do that later. But don't worry, I'll keep you guys updated and I'll be sure to share it with you guys when I do. Let's put on some PJs. I just have on this Vineyard Vines like holiday shirt, and then I have on my little snowman pajama pants and comfy socks. I am so excited to build my gingerbread kit. It's right back there. So this is the gingerbread kit that I got. It is just the classic house. I bought this at Target at the beginning of the season and it was $10. I thought it was such a steal. It comes with all of these fun little decorations for your house, and it has all the little candies and everything, and then it just has the basic instructions on the back. I'm going to take this down to the kitchen and we're going to build this. I'm so excited. goodness, you guys, that was seriously so much fun decorating my gingerbread house, but everything started like just melting off towards the end. So, you know, at least the house didn't fall apart, but I thought it turned out really cute. I will insert a picture right here so you can see how it turned out. I think it's just so cute and it was so much fun, and my family and me were just like all in the kitchen chit-chatting and like watching a Christmas movie together, so it was a lot of fun. But that is done. I'm gonna go eat dinner now, and I'm just gonna be ending the vlog here because it is Sunday night and I have to get ready for the week. But I hope you guys had a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys!